go start cooking. The show who's invite the star come to cook with us. I am your host Ellie, and today I invite another star to come to my cooking show. Nobody else of the singer was sing Zoo in Zootopia, Shakira. She performed at the 2010 FIFA World Cup with Waka Waka. Almost, she found the P. Descalzos Foundation to support children affected by violence in Colombia. To ask to you, Shakira, today.
Okay, good.
The first, how did you start your career?
I started my career in Colombia at the age of 13, after singing with Song Music Colombia, following a 14 youth audition for an executive.
What is your biggest success?
2006 Global Smash, Hips Don't Lie, one of the best-selling singles of all time.
When did you start sing and dance?
I started singing and dancing at 4 years old, after being inspired by Middle Eastern music and the belly dancing at a restaurant.
4 years old is very young.
Yes.
Where did you learn to dance?
I'm early self-taught, having developed my unique style by blending my Lebanese heritage and my Latin rhythms.
Your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Lucien Laviscount because he is my boyfriend. Okay, so we can start. Hello, I am Shakira. I am 49 years old. I choose the fruit cuppers because you can put some fruits of your choice. And it's very fast. The fruit cuppers, it's a comforting recipe when you're angry or sad. And more is very, very delicious. I eat this when my friend coming at my house or when I work. My mom taught me how to make this recipe when I was little. Next, I present you the fruit cuppers because my family and my entourage like it. I hope you will this recipe when you eat this, you think of me and my family. You need this ingredient: 115 milliliters of flour, 13 milliliters of sugar. You need 5 milliliters of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, after some butter, a pinch of salt, and 310 milliliters of milk. And for this garnish, you need this ingredient: maple syrup, Nutella, brown sugar, jam, and fruits. For example, apple, banana, orange, raspberry.
A pan for crepe. We need a whisk. You need a ladle. You need some bowl for the mixture. You need some measurement cup. You need a knife for cup the orange.
First, with the measurement cup, you measure the flour, the sugar.
You need 30 milliliters of sugar.
After, you need the eggs. Extract. You need 5 milliliters. And you put
1 cup of milk with 1 quarter of milk. Make sure mix that to the moment you don't see a lump. We see encore. We see lump.
Yes.
So mix.
You need a very, very big musk. Look, it don't have a lamp.
Put the mixture all the way.
And cube the fruits. On the cube board and the knife, you cube the orange or all the fruits of your choice and for put in the crepe. Preheat the burner at the medium temperature. When it's at the temperature, put some butter in the pan.
Add some crepe, some mixture. The first crepe is always gratted. Turn the crepe, flip the crepe.
The first is a very, very not good.
So this is not to serve at your friends. I can't call them.
The crepes is very, very, very beautiful. The new idea is the return the pan for
Have it.
in the. Oh my god, my crepe is a very, very beautiful. Let's go for the interview part 2.
Because one part is too long and two part is.
We can start.
What is the title of your next song, Shakira?
In April 2026, I collaborated with Anita on a new track called I landed a speaking role in a factor film, which marked a new step in my acting career. In addition to my busy schedule to 2026.
What will your next project?
My next big project is in 2025-2026 World Tour Las Merges Llano Lorlan, which I am extending with new in-May date in the United States during the summer of 2026.
It's very a big project, a trip.
Yes, I know.
A world tour, excuse me. A trip. Will you go in a trip with your family?
No, I haven't planned a trip for myself and my family because I have a lot of my project.
The music.
I continue to influence world music toward enduring passion, constant artistic renewal, and a strong philanthropic commitment via my Peace Delasco Foundation. Now it's a time to assemble all the ingredients in one dish, the crepe, and test it.
You can put the crepe on a plate and burn with butter. You can add some butter. Butter, excuse me, because it's the end of the day. I'm very lazy. You can start snap like
It's
that.
very complicated.
Yes.
Now you can put all the fruit of your choice. We can choose the orange because it's fresh and is very good.
Yes. So you put in
all
a line.
the fruits in a line.
And When you have a rest, you can eat it.
Okay, now I can put some sugar because I'm very lazy. I like the sugar. Okay, with a spoon, you can put
A little bit.
sugar of your choice. I'm very lazy. I put very this. And
You roll it on yourself like that.
He's like very big crepe. Now you can cut the crepes and you can eat for the.
You can cut in little circle on just at the middle like that. And have 2 rolls of crepe. Very good.
Can we test? It's very good.
Yes, it tastes like a fruit salad mixed with sugar and other things. It's very good.
You preserve in the fridge or I give
To my,
to my children?
See you soon. Thank you to listen the Go Start Cooking. Remember you can participate when you comment the show. See you next week. Offer a star for the next episode.